Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this beautiful 23 LX Sport that just arrived. What a beautiful boat, guys. It's got the metallic sorrel panels with the flat black accent. A couple other nice features on this Sport is the new integrated nav lights and docking lights. Beautifully integrated in the front, keeping this kind of streamlined and aerodynamic. Guys, let's walk towards the back and take a look at some other options. All right, guys, this 23 LX Sport, as you can see, is equipped with the Mercury 200 V6 with power steering, stainless steel prop. This boat's also got the extended deck and the fastback option with the speakers. Perfect for when you're lounging back here, swimming in the water, doing water sports to hear your favorite tunes. Another great feature, guys, is this new and improved lily pad ladder. Makes it super easy for climbing aboard. Let's take a look at the inside. Welcome aboard, guys. This is your quad bench layout with your bench seats in all four corners. Full Simtex upholstery with the sport pattern, as you can see. Side-by-side captain's chairs. Up here you'll see your speakers with USB ports. Storage underneath all your seating here. Take a look at the helm, guys. You'll see that this has got the new Vivid display. These screens are going to show you performance specs, fuel flow. It's also going to be how you operate all your systems. And we also added the Garmin over here for your depth finder and chart plotter as well. You also have a nice charging cubby for your cell phone and a nice little nook to put keys in your wallet and stuff. Guys, all Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. And of course, this one's got the ski tow pole. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.